Hi, and welcome to the next topic of this module. Now in this topic, we will learn about what is a menu bar and how does it look like and how do we integrate it in our own application. Now, when I talk about the menu bar, it simply means this menu bar at the top that contains file, edit, view, navigate and so on till the end help like this. So all these are actually the part of the menu bar. And within the menu we have menu items like this. So all these are basically the menu items in JavaFX. So how do we create such menu bar? So for that, let us modify our layout. Firstly, I will right click on the grid pane and delete everything and start fresh. Then go to containers and down below you will find the VBox. Let us drag and drop it. And yes, we got VBox here. If you go to text, then you will find the VBox is basically our root node right now. So if you go to mymain.java, within the start method, you will find earlier we had pane as the root node, but now we have the VBox as the root node. So now let us change this pane to VBox like this. And now just below this method, let us create a method. Let us call it private void create menu. And within this method, let us write our code to create the menu bar. Now the first common menu that any application contains is the file menu, right? So here I will create file menu. So use menu class. When you select menu, then you will find three variants: java.awt, then javafx, and then something from com.sunglass.ui package. Now make sure you select javafx.scene.control.menu. So make sure you select the menu class from this package. And then define file menu equal to new menu. And again select javafx. And now as a parameter, simply give the name as file. And here let me write the command line. We are creating here the file menu. Now next, suppose a user is using your application for the first time. So how to use your application, you need to define the help menu as well. So here at the top we have the help menu that will tell the user how to use the application. So for that again, let us define the help menu. And then define menu javafx space equal to new menu. And as a parameter, give the text as help. And now this whole thing is actually known as the menu bar. So similarly here as well, let us define our menu bar. So menu bar, select javafx equal to new menu bar. And within this menu bar, we need to add this file menu and also the help menu. Similar to what we have file and help that are present within the menu bar. So use menu bar dot get all the menus and then add all, and add file menu and then help menu in this sequence. And let us return this menu bar somewhere. Return menu bar and then change the void to menu bar here. Let us call this method of create menu from within our start method. So down below, right after the VBox here, let us call this method create menu. Now since this method returns the menu bar, so let us assign it to the menu bar on the left hand side equal to create menu. So once this method will be executed, we will get our desired menu bar. Now once we got the menu bar, we need to add it to our VBox, which is our root node. So down below, let us use our VBox, that is root node dot get all the children dot add the elements such as menu bar. So this statement, what it do, it simply add the menu bar within the VBox that is present here, or visually you can check it out here. This is our VBox. So within this VBox, we are adding the menu bar at the top here. Let us now launch our application and let's see if it works or not. So there we go, we have got file and help menu at the top, and this is our menu bar. And now when I click on the file menu and the help menu, then nothing happens. So if you compare our menu bar at the top for our IntelliJ IDE, when I click on the file menu, a new pop-up comes up that display the menu items further. So in similar fashion, let us write our code in the next video.